So all products supplied to us have been preset in the controller. Just select the one you want to pack and press start. You want to pack another one? Press start. Machine will do a set. And be running. To set up a new product, you log in, or to adjust an existing product. By default, the normal password is 4 zeros. Now you get some extra buttons. Setup page. This one's the bag length. That's plain or printed film. You've mainly got plain film at the moment. The packing speed, jaw position, sell by, date, position, no product, no bag. Options page. Number of retries on a jaw stall, dwell, normally leave that set to 100%, in-feed pitch, I think you're always up 15 on your machine, trigger you're not using, packing speed. This page, heaters, top jaw, bottom seal, packing speed again. All pages have the jog function, so we go back to home. With jog function on, the machine will only run slowly while you've got your finger on the button. There's also a manual with the machine which explains how to adjust the screens. Useful page might be how to set up the print registration sensor from when you get printed film on the back page. Print registration sensor is just there. When you select a product, there's a notes page where you can put useful information such as the angles for the fold box and for the film. Work done on the machine includes new touch display and front bezel, which tidies up the front of the machine. Now everything's controlled through the single touch display with a start button, green start button, red normal stop button which parks the machine with the jaws open, and an emergency stop which stops the machine dead. The original guards were in quite good condition, so they've been fitted with new safety switches. One there, another one there. Both guards have also been fitted, I think it's only one guard has been fitted with a new strut, gas strut to hold it open. These are quite powerful, so be careful when you close the guard. Printer has been fitted. This is a 104mm wide printer. Printer manuals were supplied with the equipment. To move it from side to side, you pull this lever and slide the whole unit back and forth on these rails. Position of the print along the length of the pack is completely controlled by the computer. Just there, sell by date. 0 to 360 degrees, 0's beginning of the pack, 360 degrees is the end of the pack. The printer itself also has its own controller. You leave the position of the print on And this controller set to 0 and controlled it as shown earlier. So no product, no bag sensor, which picks up the product as it comes through the in-feed and stops the machine generating empty bags if there's no product in the in-feed. The original cover on the end of the in-feed was damaged and not safe. We've fitted a new one, which also has these, it's actually a used one, but it's in good condition. It has these safety things on here so you can't get your hand in. The machine will have new feet fitted. We haven't fitted them yet because we're waiting until it's lifted on the forklift. They will be fitted inside the machine. Things are quite different. More stable. There's now a new electrical panel. Mechanically inside the machine is simpler than it was. There's 3 motors. This one drives the film and the outfeed. This one drives the infeed, more or less directly onto the infeed chain. There's another one underneath the jaw, which is difficult to see, but it's through there. There is another black servo motor, which is mounted under the jaw. The machine's had new temperature carbon brushes fitted here and underneath the front of the machine where the film drive is. The plastic rear panel has been discarded and a new stainless steel one will be fitted, and the same with the top. There's one already fitted there. These 2 smaller plastic ones are retained. This shows the rear covers now fitted and the top cover fitted. This flat top cover allows the printer to be fitted in a lower and much more accessible position. The original metal guard over the jaw has been retained. Somewhat ugly compared with the plastic one, but actually probably works better. The original serial number plate is retained, but further ones which identify the work we've done on the machine are fitted, 1 inside the electrical cabinet and 2 repeated again on the end of the machine where the power inlet is. If you need any spares or any information about the machine, that's the number you're after there. In particular, the 1345 is our widest motion identification number.